Our life on the road in our bus continues across Australia. We currently find ourselves in Queensland, heading further up the coast. We have already seen so much from the Glasshouse Mountains, Fraser Island, and in our last video, the whole of the Whitsundays. But now we are itching to start hunting down some waterfalls.
This is pretty awesome, isn't it?
In our upcoming vlogs, we'll be sharing some epic waterfalls you can discover within Queensland, and first on that list is Jourama Falls. We are taking the 3.5-hour drive up the coast from Bowen, past Townsville to Paluma National Park. So whilst James enjoys his lovely coffee, I'll show you what the campsite looks outside, because we have woken up and it is so quiet. There's only one other person here with us, and it's been a great spot for the night.
The mozzies buggered off, which was a good thing, because I was a bit worried. I got stung like 4 times in 40 minutes or 4 minutes, I don't know how. 4 minutes. I'm tired.
You are tired, you need your coffee.
We are going to go explore the creek. We didn't get the opportunity to do it yesterday just because it was getting quite dark and the cloud was a little bit overcast, but the conditions look to be sunny this morning, so we're going to go have a little look. We think it's only going to take us maybe 20 minutes to get to the rock pools, which we hope we know how to get there. Yeah, so here we go. So this is a bit of a gem of a spot. It's got barbecues, cold showers, toilets, and it only cost us $13.70 for 2 people for one night, which is pretty cheap. It's pretty much just trees and nature, which is exactly what we like. So we're going to take a drive now to the rock pools. There's a little car park there that you can leave your car for the day. Yeah, so let's get going. Is she safe? Check my door. Never trust me, do you? Okay, so we're here.
All the way up.
We want to go
across the stream.
So it says here to rock pools. We need to figure out where that junction is.
Okay. Let's just go for a walk, I guess.
Yeah, 20 minutes, maybe less.
10 minutes.
Moving with you, baby. Yeah. I just wanna move with your loving. Yeah. Oh, let's make a move.
I will say it's very well paved, considering there's lots of rocks and boulders everywhere. We've only been going for about 5 minutes.
Feels like we're not that far.
Okay, so the first sign.
Up towards the walking track, but I think it veers off from there. It said to cross the creek, go up, and then we'll come to a junction.
Yeah,
so
let's go this way. Always come back down. Tell you what though, when that sun comes out, it gets hot, like tropical hot, because we are basically on the cusp of hitting tropical North Queensland. So bring lots of water with you. Oh, oh, oh. Yay. We're not going to go that way. We're going to go to the rock pools. It's like a hidden oasis.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at that waterfall.
Oh wow.
That is amazing. How gorgeous is it here?
Yeah, it looks like we're the only ones.
I can't believe this is only like 10 minutes from the car park.
Mental. So I just scoped out a little bit further up the rock pools, and there is this absolutely stunning section where you can have a little swim. There's a little cascade of a waterfall coming down, so I've convinced Alex we should walk around there. So that's what we're going to do. Ready?
Yeah.
That wasn't very graceful, was it?
Oh wow, it's a proper waterfall. Well, this is pretty awesome, isn't it? swim. I'm now thoroughly cooled off. Yeah, this place is definitely worth the clamber across the rocks for, and even if you're coming here for a couple of hours or a whole day, pretty nice spot.
Well, that was really fun. We didn't know what to expect with Jourama Falls. Jourama Falls. Don't even know the name of it, but it was a lot of fun. We made friends with Paul and Vanessa, who were travelling in their Traveller's Autobahn, and it turns out that they went on a boat in the Whit Sundays for 2 days with one of our friends. It was just super coincidental.
What are the chances of that happening? It's like, when things like that happen, you know you're in the right place at the right time. You're meant to be here.
I know, it's clearly a sign. So yeah, if you wanted to check out this place, the rock pools are stunning, and depending on how far you want to walk, you can check out more secluded ones, but really you're there in 10 minutes, so worth going.
So this is what traffic jams look like in tropical North Queensland.
Yeah,
He's
apparently
having a little suckle.
having a little suckling at the teat. Let's slowly go around.
Oh, what a little cutie. Hey! Oh, you're very cute. So just before we started climbing this very steep hill up towards Paluma Falls, it did have a big sign saying not suitable for anyone towing a caravan or a trailer. Now, it did make us panic a little bit because we were thinking, does that mean that we will even get up the hill in this bus? Because it also said no buses, but we're hoping it just means like no big buses, like big coaches. So James decided to go ahead anyway.
As long as we go nice and slow, take our time, give a little toot of the horn every time we go around corners like this, then we can't really go wrong. There's a few junctions along the way up, so if we do want to turn back round, we can, but so far, it's all right.
I mean, some areas are pretty sketchy so far, but James is doing a fantastic job as always. So yeah, hopefully we'll make it to the campground. You can do it, Maya!
I love it because we're getting basically up into the clouds. So there was a little lay-by here that said we could park, so we're going to walk to a bench that we saw, or a sign.
Oh, it's really starting to come down. I think we should go back.
Yeah, I think we should. So there was a sign that said there was a scenic lookout, but because it's chucking it down, we're going to wait for this to clear. We'll go back for now.
Oh, it's really coming.
Sugar.
Ah!
Off you.
Safety.
So we were going to go to the lookout, however, it's still raining. Actually, I think it stopped raining, but we're basically in a cloud at the moment, so even if we did go over there,
I don't think we'd see much.
we'll see nothing.
So instead, to the campground.
Let's continue the climb.
We made it to the campground and we thought it was going to be quiet, but there's quite a few people here.
There are a lot of people. There's more people than I thought there were going to be. I thought there was going to be 2 cars. Alex said she thought it was going to be 1 car, but there are at least about 30 cars here.